In this video, I'm going to show you a strategy used by an 83-year-old grandfather to earn recurring affiliate commissions using AI, short-form videos, and System.io email marketing system. All you really need to get started is your phone, and you don't need a lot of experience and you don't need a lot of money. And I'm also going to show you how to use very underrated AI tools that I personally use all the time that are going to make things really easy and save you a lot of time. But before I go on, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification icon. There are just 6 steps with this strategy, and I'm going to lead you through them one by one. Step number 1 is to choose a niche, and this is really important. Really take time to think about your niche. You want to choose a good one. You want to choose one that's profitable and you'd be comfortable creating a lot of content around, because we're going to be creating a lot of content. It could be something that you know already, but it doesn't necessarily have to be, because with all the information out there with AI, Google, etc., you can pretty much become an expert in everything. And the really cool thing is, if there's something you want to learn, one of the best ways is to create a YouTube channel about it and research every single aspect of that topic. I guarantee you, you'll become an expert quickly. Here's some examples of some niches: finance, self-development, fitness, health, gaming, technology, travel, or even online advertising tools and services. And I'm going to use that as an example later on. If you click the link below, I'm going to include a list of highly profitable and popular affiliate programs that you can join. So make sure you check that out. It'll be sorted according to niche. Things to consider when choosing a niche are: is it profitable? Can you find affiliate programs that can pay you really well? Is there an audience that'd be willing to pay for different products and services around that niche? Now, if there's something you're particularly interested in and you're good at, you're an expert in, that might be a way to go as well. But you might not necessarily need to be an expert already in a niche, because all the information is out there with AI. Even if you wanted to learn something, like say you wanted to learn about finance, you could start a finance channel and go research every single topic that you wanted to do a video on, and eventually you're going to become the expert in this. So don't necessarily disqualify a niche if you're not totally an expert in it. The beautiful thing about what's going on in the internet, and I didn't have this when I was growing up, because I grew up, I'm older, I'm a boomer, and I didn't grow up with the internet, okay? We didn't have this access to information. It is unbelievable. With AI, you can learn anything and become an expert in anything. You just have to focus, as I said before. Now, step 2 is decide whether you want a personal brand, like where you show your face, like what I'm doing now, which is fine. But if you're not comfortable in doing that, or you don't want to, you can have just a regular brand which does not use your face. Both work. So I say choose the one that you will get started with right away. And even if you start with an online brand at first, as you get more comfortable, you can switch and start showing your face in the videos. It's actually what I've started to do. So just decide whichever one you can get started with the quickest and you're most comfortable with right now, because action trumps everything. Step number 3 is to find affiliate links that you can use to promote that are related to your niche. Now, you might look at ClickBank, Impact.com, or Amazon Associates. You might also look at products and services that you already use and you already like, and see if they have an affiliate program. I'll give you an example of that. We have a pool cleaner that cleans our pool. Okay, this is like a robot that goes around and just cleans the pool automatically. The thing is fantastic. Okay, and they had an affiliate program or referral program, and my wife was really not in tune to all that, but they sent her an affiliate link. She just shared it with a friend who had a pool because she really believed in this product, which we do because it works. The person ordered and it was a $200 commission right there. So you may have money right in front of you. So consider what you have in front of you as well. Okay, the next step is to create a landing page and an email list, right? Now, I recommend System for this. I've used every single system, Aweber, GetResponse, on and on and on. And I even have my own self-hosted system. This is simple. It works extremely well. They have so many features that I can't even get into them all. But just on the email marketing, just on the let's create a landing page and let's have an email follow-up system, what they call autoresponder, email follow-up system. It is by far the best deal. And why I'm showing you the prices page is that you can start for free and get up to 2,000 contacts and send unlimited emails. Like Aweber, they limit you on the emails you can send, even on the paid plan. You know, you can just come up here, and this is, what is $17 a month? Fantastic deal. Send as many emails as you want. And I know technically how to set up my own. I have a Sendy system, which is a self-hosted system. I know how to do that. And that's great. That does work really well. But this is so simple that it's almost not even worth someone knowing who knows how to do all the technical stuff to bother with it. So I recommend Sendy for a lot of reasons, and I'll do more videos on this later, but we're focusing on just getting up a landing page and an email follow-up system. I'll put the link below, and yes, it is an affiliate link. Actually, this is a really good affiliate program too, but I'll put my affiliate link for this below so you could go and even sign up for free. All right, so what is the first thing you need to do? We need to set up a campaign, right? Now, I have several campaigns here. And I just started with this. I was using my other systems before. I'm just really loving this. In any case, we want a new campaign, right? So we're going to come up here, click Create. Now, I'm going to name the campaign according to my niche. Now, the example I'm going to be using is the niche of marketing software and tools. That's the one we're going to be using. It's a good one, and I'll give you affiliate programs. Actually, those are my affiliate programs. They fall into that niche, but you can use any niche you want. But this is the one we're going to use for the example. So we're going to create a campaign here. So here, as you see, we have the marketing software and tools campaign created. So that was successful. So now I need to create the follow-up emails for my campaign. So I click on marketing software and tools. Now I'm going to come up at the top right, and I'm going to click on Create. Okay, and then it's going to ask me subject, and I'm going to go to the affiliate tools section for coolmarketingsoftware.com. Here's the page. I'll put it below. You can, and also put the page where you can sign up for this and other affiliate programs for free. But here you go. What you do is you choose an affiliate ID when you sign up for the affiliate program. You put your affiliate ID here, you click submit, and it will populate all this information, all this sales promo material, including the sales letters, with your affiliate link. So I'm going to come here, and they ask for a subject. So here is a subject. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to come back to System, okay, and put it in here. I've chosen the email address, which I set up earlier, and the from name. I'm going to change this to marketing software and services. Okay, you choose whatever you like. Now I'm going to come here and click save. Now I have the title. Now I just need to put in the email. Okay, I'm going to come back to the affiliate tools section. Here's the email. There it is right here. I'm going to just copy and paste this. Now you can have your own emails. You can use AI to create emails for you. I'm just giving you some pre-made ones here. Here we go. I've got the email. All right, so here's the email loaded in. I just copied and pasted it. I personalized it with this first name. People like to see that. Then I come up here and I just click Save Draft. If I'm happy with everything in here, I've got my affiliate link in here promoting this, and I'm going to click Save, Add, and Publish. Since it's the first email in my series, I'm just going to click on Activate. Now, this first email was giving them a link where they can get $597 of pro marketing software for free. And we're going to use that as our freebie here in order to entice people to sign up on our sign up page on our landing page. You can give a free ebook. You can give some free software, something as an incentive for people to join your list. Now, you can see we have one email in our campaign for marketing software and tools. And you can go back and add more and more. You can use the ones from classifiedsubmissions.com. You can promote System, which is a great affiliate program, which fits into that niche. And there are many, many others, almost unlimited marketing software and tools that you can promote. So you just repeat the process that we just did, adding more and more, and you time them apart, and it gives you the option to have the emails go after the previous emails. So you can, like, every 4 days, you can send out emails. So when someone signs up every 4 days, they're going to be getting a follow-up email with your affiliate links promoting different tools and marketing services. Now we're going to come up here to sites and sales funnels, and we are going to create a sales funnel. So I'm going to come up here and click Create. I'm going to name my sales funnel Marketing Software Tools and Services. Again, it can be whatever you want, whatever fits your niche. And then I'm going to click Build an Audience because I want to build an email list with this system. Now click Save. Okay, so now I created the funnel, but I need to have a page for the funnel. Okay, so you can choose a template. Very easy. Okay, confirm action. You come here and you have all these templates that you can choose from, and it's just drag and drop. So you don't need to know any coding for this. Come down here, next. Here's one I kind of like. I'm going to select this template, and then I'm going to edit it. So I'm going to edit the page here, and I'm going to just change this text. I'm going to add my video here. I just click on the video. I'm going to copy and paste the share URL from my video. Then it'll show up here. You're welcome to use that video as well if you're going to choose to use this niche. So I just created this, and I'm going to come up here and click Save. Actually, I don't need a lot of this stuff. So I'm going to come up here and click the trash can. Bam, I don't need it. I don't need this. Simpler the better. You might have to do a lot of that because they put a lot in these templates. So here, save. Now I've got a template. I've got a page that I can use to promote. Okay, one more thing. You click the submit button, and you always want to choose the double opt-in. Okay, so just, do you want to use double opt-in? Yes. Okay. You want a clean list. You don't want a bunch of junk emails. Click save. Okay, there's one more thing we have to do. We have to attach the funnel to the campaign. So we come here to automation rules. I'm going to add a rule. I'm going to click trigger. Okay. Click trigger. Okay, so you come here to automation rules. You click add rule. Click trigger. And you want when funnel step subscribed. Okay. Then we got our funnel, marketing software tools and services, squeeze page. Now we want it to do the following. We want it to subscribe to the campaign, and the campaign is marketing tools and software. We save the rule, and now when we promote this page, they're going to subscribe to that campaign with our follow-up messages. So here we go. Now we have a page that we can promote, right? We have the URL up here. We can copy this. And we can promote this everywhere we can to get people to subscribe to our newsletter, which will give them follow-up messages about online marketing tools and services with our affiliate links. So that's what we're going to promote, this URL. Now, of course, you can buy a domain and redirect it to this, or you could just use this. I'll put a link where you can get a domain very cheaply if you want to do the redirect deal where you redirect to this URL. But you've got a URL right here you can use in your profiles. You can also use Bitly and link shortening services as well to shorten the link. Now this next step is we're going to create the videos. And here I am with InVideo. It's a very popular and very good AI creation software. I use it all the time to create videos, and it's getting better and better, which is kind of unbelievable. And what you do is you type in your prompt. I'm going to tell them to create a TikTok video on the SEO benefits of using classified ad posting service. So we're going to promote classifiedsubmissions.com, and you're going to have your affiliate links there. At the end, include a call to action to click the link in bio to learn more. Why? Because in TikTok and Instagram and even YouTube Shorts, you can't really put a clickable link in the descriptions like you can in long form. So the whole goal is to get people to click the link in the bio. So you want to have a call to action to click the link in the bio, because this is a short videos system that we're doing. And so that's going to work on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram. Okay, you could even do Facebook Reels too if you wanted to. So we're going to just give them a very simple command, and you can make these commands play with this and get more and more elaborate and tell them exactly what you want to do. So then you just click create my video. Then you're going to wait like a couple minutes and it'll just create a video for you. Okay, then you'll come to a page like this where you check which one you want, how long you want it, if you want TikTok style, YouTube short, whatever. So we're going to stick with these, and I'm going to click generate. Then in a couple minutes, I'm going to have the video. Okay, so like here's the video, and it's not bad. It's like a little short video, and I'll just play it really quickly.
Website. I spent thousands on SEO, but this free classified ad I posted.
So here's the video. It's pretty good. It's got a whole voiceover. It's got this actor doing a selfie type of video. It's really great for just a raw AI video. And so that's what you do here. I'll start here from the beginning. You could check it out. Turn off the sound because it's kind of annoying coming through in poor quality. But it's quite good. It's quite good. Now you can come here and edit it and add things to it as well. Change the music. I usually always change the music on it. You know, you come here to music, and I found my own music on it and change it and make it better. And there's different things you can do. Now, one way that you can edit it, say if you want to just go crazy here, you could say change the music to disco or whatever you want, and then use the Matt May voice. So I cloned my voice. It'll actually change this to my voice. And then I click here and it goes and re-edits the video. Okay. And it's going to make the changes, and you can just edit the video by giving it commands, which is really cool. Here's another video I did using the software and got like 1,200 views just like that right away without any promotion whatsoever. So the next step is to start making as many of these videos as possible and uploading 1 to 2 every single day to TikTok, to YouTube Shorts, and to Instagram, and to always put your link in the bio, because you can't really put it in the description in a clickable form on all those platforms. And always put a call to action in the video to click the link in the bio. And if I want to do that here, I can just say put a call to action to click link in bio, and they will do it. I type it right there and I click right here, and it's going to put a link it's going to put in the video that's going to say click the link in the bio. And if you consistently put out these videos every single day, it's good to be consistent every single day, not to do a bunch all at once and then none the next week. Just 1, 2 every single day. Eventually you start getting traffic. People start opting into your offers. They start getting your emails. You're building an email list. You're sending traffic to your affiliate links. You can start earning some affiliate commissions. It's a great way to do it. So go ahead and get started. I put all the links in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this with someone you think might benefit from it. Thank you so much. This is Matthew May with Quick Register SEO.